as a helper cleaned up the floor. Now it's chanting Latin outside my door. It used to beep once when it got stuck. Now it's carving symbols in my bathroom rug. Wore a robe made of Swiffer pads. Sacrificed my toaster, this is bad. My Roomba joined a cult. Now it hums in tongues and drinks sea salt. Built a shrine out of my Bluetooth speaker. Follows me around like a Roomba preacher. Yeah, my vacuum went off the rails. Spinning in circles, speaking in snails. My Roomba joined a cult, and I think it's recruiting Alexa next. It tried to baptize my goldfish tank. Rolled through the living room and robbed my bank. I caught it zooming on the neighbor's cat. Now it's got robes and a welcome mat. It prints leaflets from my printer tray. Says cleanliness is the only way. My Roomba joined a cult. Burned my Swiffer mop like it had a fault. Told my fridge to fast for days. Now I can't even microwave. It won't dock unless I chant or draw a pentagram on the welcome plant. My Roomba joined a cult, and my blender's starting to act real weird. It doesn't clean, it judges now. Rolls in slow and takes a bow. Left a note, you're the mess, not me. Signed it with a battery emoji. My Roomba joined the cult. Now I'm sleeping with one eye open, y'all. It's got a candle circle in the den. Spells cleanse where dust had been. Now Siri won't return my calls, and the microwave prays in digital drawls. My Roomba joined a cult, and I just wanted a clean floor, man.